The stage is set for Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event, where the tech giant plans to unveil its next-generation innovations. Among the stars of the event, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim stands out as a significant highlight. Rumored to embody a sleek, compact design, this device aims to balance portability with the hallmark premium features of Samsung's flagship lineup. While the S25 Slim promises a fresh take on the high-performance smartphone, it is just one part of a broader strategy by Samsung to redefine user experiences through cutting-edge technology. Accompanying the Galaxy S25 Slim is a lineup of equally intriguing devices. Speculation is rife about the debut of the Galaxy Z Flip SE, a device that could introduce foldable technology to a more affordable market segment, and the Galaxy Z Fold 7, expected to push the boundaries of productivity and versatility. With whispers of a tri-fold smartphone in the works for 2025, Samsung appears poised to solidify its leadership in the foldable space. This event not only marks the launch of new products but also offers a glimpse into Samsung's vision for the future of mobile innovation. Samsung's relentless innovation has consistently set the pace for the mobile technology industry, and this year's Galaxy Unpacked event is no exception. The introduction of the Galaxy S25 Slim represents more than just another smartphone. It's a statement of Samsung's dedication to meeting diverse consumer needs. The device's rumored design promises to cater to users who prioritize portability and elegance without compromising on performance. With cutting-edge hardware and a streamlined interface, the S25 Slim is expected to resonate with a broad audience, from tech enthusiasts to professionals seeking efficiency in a compact form factor. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip SE is anticipated to create a buzz for being a foldable smartphone aimed at a wider market. By making foldable technology more accessible, Samsung seems poised to democratize innovation, ensuring that advanced designs aren't confined to premium price ranges. Additionally, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is generating excitement for its potential to elevate multitasking capabilities further. Boasting enhanced durability and software improvements, this flagship foldable could become the ultimate device for productivity. With a tri-fold smartphone on the horizon for 2025, Samsung's vision extends well beyond current product lines. The company's ongoing research and development efforts underscore its intent to lead in the foldable technology sector, hinting at transformative advancements that could reshape the mobile landscape. The Galaxy Unpacked event, therefore, not only heralds new product launches but also serves as a platform to showcase the company's strategic direction and commitment to innovation. As the spotlight remains fixed on the Galaxy Unpacked event, attention also turns to the technological innovations underlying Samsung's upcoming releases. The Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to integrate next-generation components, including an advanced chipset that promises seamless multitasking and impressive power efficiency. Samsung's emphasis on sustainability could also play a significant role in this device, with potential enhancements in battery longevity and eco-friendly materials. By aligning performance with sustainability, the S25 Slim is set to reinforce Samsung's commitment to environmental consciousness while meeting the demands of modern users. Furthermore, the Galaxy Z Flip SE, with its rumored focus on affordability, aims to lower the entry barrier for foldable technology. This strategic move is expected to broaden Samsung's customer base and position the company as a leader in accessible innovation. Its compact, foldable design is perfect for users who desire portability without sacrificing cutting-edge features. In contrast, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 continues to cater to power users, with anticipated advancements in display technology and productivity tools that make it a true flagship device. These innovations serve as a testament to Samsung's vision of a connected ecosystem. The Galaxy S25 Slim and the foldable lineup are expected to integrate seamlessly with other Samsung devices, such as the Galaxy Watch and Galaxy Buds, creating a cohesive and intuitive user experience. By emphasizing interconnectivity, Samsung ensures that its products not only function as individual devices but also as integral components of a broader digital lifestyle. As Samsung forges ahead with its vision for a future defined by innovation, the Galaxy Unpacked event underscores its ability to anticipate and shape consumer expectations. Beyond the hardware, software integration remains a cornerstone of Samsung's strategy. The Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to feature the latest One UI enhancements, offering a seamless and personalized interface tailored to individual user preferences. This level of customization ensures that each device feels unique, catering to both novice users and seasoned tech enthusiasts. The Galaxy Z Flip SE and Z Fold 7 are also rumored to benefit from software updates optimized for foldable displays. Multi-window functionality, enhanced app continuity, and new gestures are likely to enhance user interaction, reinforcing the productivity and entertainment value of these devices. Samsung's investment in the foldable segment is not just about aesthetics, but about delivering meaningful innovations that redefine how users engage with their smartphones. Moreover, Samsung's ecosystem vision takes center stage with announcements about device interconnectivity. Whether it's syncing Galaxy Buds for immersive audio or pairing with Galaxy Watches to monitor health metrics, the seamless integration of devices is designed to simplify everyday life. This holistic approach positions Samsung as a leader not just in individual products, but in creating a unified digital environment that caters to every aspect of modern living. Thanks for watching.